Good morning to everyone. I'm Pooja Pawar from Perfectly Logic Private Limited. In previous session, I explained about how to create tenant. In today's session, I'm going to explain about how to create employee. Before starting the session, I will give you a quick introduction of the software. This software is specially designed for the cooperative housing societies. This software used to maintain your society's account and billing related information. It makes the society's finance clear and easy to understand. This e-society software keep a track of everyone's bill and payment. We are continuously enhancing our software with the new features, rolling them out to you on an ongoing basis. This is all about the software. Now let's dive into today's topic, which is employee creation. For creating employee, we have to go to masters. In master, employee. In employee, we have to click on employee category. This is the employee category I already created. Now creating new employee category, click on plus sign. Here we have to enter the short name. Now this is second record of a category. Then I will enter second. After that, enter the category name, administration. Save it. Now go again to the master, employee, employee subcategory. Now click on plus sign. From this, select the category which we have created, that is administration. And here create a subcategory under this administration, which is society manager. Save it. Now go to master employee, employee master. This is one of the employee I have already created. Now creating new employee, create on plus, click on plus sign, enter here the employee's name, Vikas Yadav. Now from this form, employee name and joining date, these are the two compulsory fields. If that member is, means if we enter the living date of that member, at that time only the reason is compulsory. Other are not compulsory field. You can enter all the fields accordingly. Now for the staff category, the category which we have already created, select that category. That is administration, subcategory, society manager. If this member is working under some contractor, I have already created one contractor for this member, which is in master society contractor detail. Here fill the details of that contractor. Now for selecting the contractor, click on this arrow and select the contractor name. Here in joining date, you have to enter the joining date of that employee. Then select the gender. Enter the birth date. Then select the marital status. Enter this name, this spouse name, father name accordingly. Enter the religion. For blood group, select the blood group from this drop down. After that, qualification. Here in qualification section, you can enter the qualification of that employee. Going to write MCA, Professional Software. Here you can enter the profession of that employee. Here in ESIC number, you can enter the ESIC number of that employee. EPF number is the number. Employee Provident Fund number you can enter here. Then pension fund number. This is number for pension fund record. If there is any pension fund number, you can enter number here. These are the not compulsory fields. Then LWF means what he contributes to the labor. Is that this employee contributes to the labor welfare fund or not? If this employee is contributed, then you have to select on yes. Otherwise, you can select no. Then PAN number. Here you can enter the PAN number of that employee. Then account detail. In account detail, you have to fill account detail of that employee. Select the bank, enter the bank name, then branch name, IFSC code. If you want to add the photo for this employee, then here you can click on add photo and you can add the photo for this employee. If you want to remove the photo which you have already added, then click on clear photo. Now for entering the details, address details of the employee, you have to click on this address. Then here you can fill the address details of that employee. You can enter here the details. The details which we have filling is these are the employee's local address detail. You can enter the city, state name, phone number, all this information. These fields are not compulsory. You can enter the address here. The next is previous experience. If that employee having any previous experience, you can fill all the details in this section. Now for the employee resume, you can enter here the employee's resume details. The next step is for the salary detail. Here you can enter the salary detail of that employee, like basic salary of that employee is 20,000, allowances 5,000 rupees. Here you can enter the annual bonus for that employee. If that employee have taken any previous loan, you can enter that previous loan amount here in this previous loan balance. I'm entering 5,000 rupees. Now here we can see this amount is coming in this section, total loan, and here total loan balance is now 5,000. 5,000 rupees. Now save the form. Now double click on this basic salary option for selecting here the creating new type. Here we can see there are already created this type salary, bonus, allowances, loan out. For creating new payment or receipt type, you can double click on this basic salary. Now I want to create one new type, loan in. Then click on accept. Then this type will get created. Now for showing the making the payment for this employee salary, we have to go to transaction. In transaction account, receipt payment contra. Click on plus sign. Now we are going to make a payment of that employee's salary. For this, enter the voucher date. Here in debit, we'll select salary account, credit, bank. Now the salary that we are paying, 25,000. Now by forgetting this salary and assigning this to the employee, click on this. Here is three dot button. We have to click on this. Then this grid will come. In this grid, employee detail, click on shift down arrow. Now from this employee names, select the employee name for which we are going to making salary. From this purpose, now we are going to pay basic salary 20,000. So we'll select salary and here enter 20,000 rupees. Now again click on shift down arrow. Select that member. Now here select allowances 5,000 rupees. You can enter the remark here accordingly. Now save the form. Now refresh it. Here we can see the payment which we have just made. Now these details are coming in the salary detail. For salary, we have paid 20,000. For allowances, paid 5,000 rupees to this employee. Now here we come to salary summary. Click on show. For this member, in this April month, we have paid salary 20,000 rupees and allowances 5,000 rupees. And whatever the opening we have just entered in this salary detail, this amount is coming in opening loan. Now here we can see the loan balance is 5,000 rupees and salary paid to this employee in April month coming 25,000 rupees. In this way, for showing the salary detail, you can see all the details of the salary here. Now, if that employee have taken some loan from the employer, for this, we will go to transaction. We'll see how to make this details. Go to receipt payment contra. Click on plus sign. In debit, we'll select salary account or any account accordingly. Now, if that employee have taken 10,000 rupees loan, we'll enter this detail here. We'll enter the voucher date. Now again we have to click on this three dot. Now click shift down arrow. Select that employee. Select the purpose. If that employee have taken a loan, then you have to select this loan out account. Then have to enter the amount here. Then click on save. Now again come to this employee master. Refresh it. Now come to salary summary. Click on show. Here we can see now the loan balance of that employee is 15,000 rupees. In May month, 10,000 rupees loan amount is taken by this employee from employer. So now loan balance is 15,000 rupees. Now if you want to show the entry of this loan paid. For this, we have to create a receipt. For this, we go to transaction account, receipt payment contra. For showing the loan paid, click on plus sign, select receipt. Select the date. Here we have to select the account. Now enter the amount here, 10,000 rupees. Shift down arrow, select that member. In purpose, we have to select loan in for showing the payment loan amount paid. Now here enter the amount. Now click on save. Click on show. Now here we can see the loan amount which we have paid, which is in June month, now showing in loan in. Now here we can see now remaining loan amount is only 5,000 rupees. Previously 15,000 because loan is taken in May month. 10,000 rupees plus opening loan 5,000 rupees, 15,000 plus loan amount paid 10,000 rupees. Now remaining loan balance is 5,000 rupees. In this way, we can enter all the details of this employee salary related, loan related details. We can show here for printing this salary detail. We can click on plus print option. Then employee ledger of that salary will show here. For printing this, click on print. All the employee ledger summary will printed. This is all about the employee creation and making the transaction of that employee. So thank you everyone for joining this session.